they look identical, but eyebrows really aren't meant to be identical anyways. They're like sisters or like first cousins, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Pull up in the brand new Porsche. 300 and dash to the pay shake. Can't say golf for you niggas just boring.
So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. I have very thick eyebrows, so I don't know, depending on what day it is or just what's going on, either I'll go thin or I'll go thick. I can kind of play around with it, even though I do have thick eyebrows. But if you want to achieve my look, keep watching. So the products that I use is a flat brush, the Anastasia concealer, the Real Techniques brush, blending brush, the NYX eyebrow gel, my Make Me Brow eyebrow gel. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rake my eyebrows. Rake it up. Okay, let me stop. I'm going to rake my eyebrows and with the eyebrow gel just to hold them in place, as well as give my eyebrows a shape so that way I know what I'm doing when I draw them on. I'm going to be using a flat brush, a flat angled brush for this look, and basically all I'm going to do is just outline the shape that I want, but being very precise with it and making sure that I get that arch in there. I'm then going to go at the top and do the same as well. You're basically just outlining your brow. Like, that's the thing about eyebrows, is that it's going to take time for you to gain the skill. Like, it's a skill. So basically with the rest of the product that's on the brush, I'm going to rub it in and just fill in the rest of my brow. I apologize so hard because I suck at filming tutorials and I didn't even film the rest of me filling in my eyebrows. So I apologize. Filled in the rest, I basically go at the end and fill it in a little bit more, brush up the front hairs just to give them a little bit more color. So my eyebrows usually don't turn out this big, but I'm not mad at them. So the next thing that I'm going to do is take my flat brush and my Anastasia, and I'm going to dip into it like this, and just like have it all on the brush like that. Alright, so with this, I'm going to start about right in the middle and just create a straight line going all the way back, following my arch. girls really aren't meant to be identical anyways. They're like sisters or like first cousins. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Okay. So now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush and I'm just gonna blend. So I'm gonna start in the middle and then just kind of like stipple, like the stipling brush, but like not really, but like blending at the same time, you know what I mean? But also making sure that it doesn't get into the brow and mess up the concealer and mess up the brow. Just gonna do like this. See, I got here. Alright. So this is my final look. I look rough, but hey, that's how I do my eyebrows. Very detailed, you know, whatever. If you want to see the rest of the makeup look that I'm gonna do, it'll be up tomorrow. You'll get to see what I did with this. I apologize for the mess that in my face. It's just, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. You know, I think my goal is maybe like 150 subs. Let's see if we can get 20 more subs before the year's almost over. So that's all I got for you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it, talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it, talk it. Hey. I was bad, so I